Good morning, students. Today we are going to be discuss about the from hunting, gathering to growing food. The first point is the earliest people, why were they on the move? We know that in our subcontinent 2 million years ago that our ancestors they are the hunters and gatherers. They are hunting the animals like wild animals. They can catch the fish. They gather the fruits, seeds, nuts, etc. And also they always move one place to another for different reasons is there. The first reason is that they eat all the availability of source where they are living. When the sources it is going to become empty, the people they will travel another place to search of food. Second one is the animals, those who are depend upon the grass, they are move one place to another according to the season where is availability of grass. When the hunters they can follow the animals, that's why the hunters they will be move one place to another. Third one is the plants and trees, they bear the fruits in different season, different kinds of trees and plants. That's why the people of hunters and gatherers, they have to be collect the fruits and nuts means here, they have to be moved one place to another for a different season. According to the season, they have to be moved. Fourth one, the people, plants and animals need water to survive. Without water, it is not possible to survive. That's why the people, they will travel one place to another to get a water. In the water itself only we know that some lakes, rivers, ponds also they are perennial. Perennial means here the water throughout the year that lakes they should have the waters, others are seasonal. That's why the people they will travel one place to another according to the season. Next, how do we know about these people? The archaeologists they find so much of things they are used by the hunters and gatherers. Which are the things they are find by the archaeologists means here the tools it was made by stone and the bones. The tools they are using for to cut the meat and bone, scrap, bark and hides, chop fruit and roots. And also it should be attached to handles of bone or hood. They are using for different purpose. And also sometimes they are using for to make the space and arrows for hunting. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಟೆ ಆಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬಿಲ್ಲು ಬಾಣವನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಬಾಣಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಮುಂದೆ ಚೂಪನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಅಥವಾ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ they should be added. And also sometimes they are using the stone tools for firewood also. Next point, choosing a place to live in. In this map we can find the triangular shape figure. That figure shows that in the ancient time the people they are living as a settlement. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ಇಲ್ಲೇ livತಾ ಇದ್ರು. We can understand that the people they always make a settlement near to the availability of water. And also the people always they can find the fine quality of stone. Where they are getting the good quality of stone, they can make the settlement. Through that good quality of stone, they can make the stone tools for different purpose. Next point, finding out about the fire. And also that archaeologists they can find the burnt grind ashes in the Tallu caves. Through that we can understand that in the ancient time that hunters and gatherers they have the knowledge about the fire. And also they can use the fire for different purpose. First thing they should use as a light source of light. They can roast the meat and also they can scare away the wild animals. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಮಾಂಸವನ್ನ ಬೇಯಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ they can use the fire. Next point, a changing environment. We know that around 12,000 years ago throughout the world we can see the swiftly the environment changes. That's why we can see the development of grassland. When the development of grassland we can see the those who are depend upon on the grass as a food like sheep, goat, cattle, antelope, that animals they can easily multiplied. Why the animals they are multiplied means here the easily available of food. When the animals they are multiplied, the hunters they can start to observe how the animals they can take the food, and also they can observe all the activities of animals. Next, and also on that time we can see fishing also became important. And also next point, the beginning of farming and herding. How the hunters and gatherers they started to make the farming and the herding. We know that when we are going to see the naturally grassland where they are developed and wheat, barley and rice they are naturally grown. When they are getting that wheat, barley and rice, the farmers, that means here the gatherers, they observe that when the plant ripen, they can observe each and everything, and they started to be made as become a farmer. And also the afterwards the people started to be grow their self itself only as to make the seeds, and also they making watering and so other activities. Next, the hunters they can when the animals they are multiplied, the people they should be attracted by the animals. Andre ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಕಡೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಆಕರ್ಷಿತರಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. When they are attracted by the animals, they should be leave the food for the animals. When some animals they start to be come to the near the shelter of where the human beings they are live. Afterwards they start to be tame the animals like sheep, goat, cattle, antelope, so on, and even pig also they should be started to be rearing. The first animal it was tamed by the human being is ancestor of dog. Next point, a new way of life. If you plant a seed, you can observe that seed become a plant means it need a number of processes there. And the activities become that. It's need a time also. Which are the activities it will be done this year? They have to be watering, weeding, driving away the animals and birds till the grain ripen. Andre bede ಬೆಳೆಯೋ ತನಕ we should be make the watering, and also we should make the weeding and driving, so other activities we should be done with this type of activities they have to be done this year. The people of 2 million years ago, the people they have to be staying in a particular place. That's why the hunters and the gatherers they started a new way of life. And also the grain had to be they use it for both food and seed. Or ಊಟಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, and also they are using for the seeds ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೀಜಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. And also they can store the grains in a clay pots and dirt pits into the ground. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಡಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ they can called as the dirt pits. Next point, storing animals. When animals multiply naturally, the human beings they can start to think about the animals using for several reasons. They can preserve as a store of food, and also they can use for food, meat, milk. So much of reason they can storing the animals. Next point, finding out about the first farmers and herders. When you are observing the map, the archaeologists, that means here the scientists, they can, when they are excavated or when they are find, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಾರೋ, they can make the through the scientific methods, they can through the bones, animals and birds, and also the burnt, dried ashes. Through that one, they can find the farmers and the herders. Next point, towards a settled life. Archaeologists have found traces huts or houses some areas. For instance, in Basava, present-day Kashmir, they can find the pit houses. Pit houses ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋಡಿ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಗುಹೆ ತರ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, that is called as the pit houses. The archaeologists they found that the ashes, that means that all the activities inside the house also and the outside the house also. This shows that the people in basava, that means Kashmir. According to the season, the people they are doing the activities. That means here in the winter season it's not possible to come out from the home. Because of that, Kashmir, the basava is located in completely in cold area. And that time they are living in the inside of the house. Next, and also they can find these some stone tools. They are belongs to the Neolithic age. The tools they are using as a sharp edge, and they should have the so much of sharpness. Still today we are using the stone tools for to grinding the grain or so other activities. And also we can find some parts, clay parts. People of the hunters and gatherers, they can use the clay parts for to cooking the food and also to preserve the grains also. And also other activities they can make by the hunters and the gatherers, the weaving cloth using different kinds of materials. For example, cotton that could now be grown. Next point, a closer look living and dying in Mehergarh. We can find about the Mehergarh. This site is located in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, which is one of the most important routes into the Iran. That Mehergarh village we can find the houses. It is in a square shape or rectangular shape. That each houses they should have the 4 compartments. That means 4 parts are more. And also that villages we can find the some grains, the burnt grains also we can see, and also we can find the animals bones so on. And also they are having something. Mehergarh include remains of this. Okay. Next, when the people they are dying in Mehergarh, they should give the respect for them. And also when the people they are going to be died, along with the dead person, they are keep the animals also. That means here they are believing that after the death also the one more life is there. The next life they need a food. The people, that's why they are keeping some animals for their next life. This is the end of this chapter.